engineer.
Hello.
I hope everyone's doing well this morning and getting ready for a nice long weekend. And we are going to go over the SOS Partner Program as it pertains to SOS ServerSave. Then John will take you through a nice demo of our web integration package, as well as SOS ServerSave and all the components therein, Exchange Granular Recovery, bare metal backup, and how you can use that for SQL, SharePoint, and other backups. And as always, please feel free to use the chat window and send me any questions that you have that you think John or I might be able to answer. So first of all, let's go through a little bit of the industry, the online backup industry as it currently is, and how you can use that to capitalize and help grow your MSP business. So we're still in an area of early adoption. We may be getting close into the early majority category, but there's a huge opportunity coming up in the next 2 years based on a recent IDC survey that stated that IT budgets are currently spending 1.6% of their dollars on cloud backup solutions. They will be spending 3% of their budget by 2014. So I know those sound like small numbers, but that actually is a huge increase. That's a doubling in the expenditure of money on cloud backup solutions. So there's a huge opportunity for all of you guys that are either considering becoming partners or are already partners. And those businesses are, of course, SMBs as well as enterprises. They may have the needs for server backup. They may not. But if they don't, they definitely have laptops and laptop fleets, and there's absolutely an opportunity for you there to be backing up those components within the organization. So as of right now, SOS Online Backup has 500,000 active customers and 500 VAR partners. And of course, we're always growing and always innovating. And there's a big push across the world for expansion of internet bandwidth and decrease of hosted storage costs. And all of those things help contribute to pushing online backup into the early majority and eventually late majority level of maturity across the world. There's, of course, also a technical sophistication of the population. You may find as an MSP that you spend less time trying to explain what cloud backup is these days, much less than you did 6 months ago or even 1 year ago. That just anecdotally speaks to how this business is maturing and how it's becoming ingrained in a population that previously didn't know about it. And finally, organizations and individuals are finding that they have a significant increase in the size and value of their digital data. Individuals are saving more pictures. I know I personally haven't taken a film picture in probably 8 years. Many of you probably feel that way too. Businesses, of course, have very, very vulnerable laptop fleets, which contain a lot of important and critical employee data, and some of it's very private and should absolutely not be shared and is, of course, vulnerable to theft. So we're pushing a lot of data online. Businesses recognize that, and they are increasing their spend in cloud backup. So that's an opportunity that we all intend to take advantage of. So some of the factors that I mentioned, like decrease in cost of hosting space, improvement in ability to get information onto hosting space, improvement in internet bandwidth across the world. These are all helping drive online backup to a price functionality and inflection point. And this is the point at which online backup becomes undoubtedly cheaper than tape backup ever has been. And SOS ServerSave addresses this emerging market with a feature set years ahead of competitors at a price that is very, very affordable for you, and you can also make server backup affordable for your clients. If I'm moving along too fast or I've glossed over something, please feel free to type a message in chat. I'm happy to try to address them. So the next big wave of online backup adoption is for SMBs. We would consider small to mid-sized businesses generously to be individual businesses that have fewer than 1,000 employees. Some might disagree with me on that and say that it's fewer than 500. The fact is that those guys all have servers. They have workstations that they need to protect, servers, laptops, and mobile devices. And a lot of them are on the company network, and security is obviously an issue for anything that's on the company network. So SMBs and enterprises have several types of backup requirements that are addressed by SOS ServerSave. The SOS ServerSave reseller package backs up the complete array of components that a business is using with its employees and is storing data on. So of course this includes workstations, servers, laptops, and mobile devices. It is a solution for complete business continuity and disaster recovery. It offers cloud backup for server applications, including Exchange, SQL, SharePoint. It offers centralized deployment, reporting, and remote management systems. This is probably the coolest part about SOS ServerSave. It offers a complete centralized management solution that many other solutions don't, and it's included in the price. And of course, as with all SOS products, security is absolutely the cornerstone. We support secure public and private cloud deployments, and large file backup for those bare metal images that you'd be creating is easily done through a feature that we call Image Stream, sent straight up to the cloud. Let's talk a bit more about the SOS ServerSave product, which you can get within the SOS Reseller Program. It fits into an entire SOS online backup product suite. You will not find another business out there that attacks and manages backup from all different angles for all different targets that you may have. You may be working with residential customers and consumers. For that, we have solutions for backing up PCs and Macs. We also have solutions for backing up mobile phones. Soon, by the end of the year, oh, we're already at the end of the year, I can't say that anymore. I should probably say January. We'll be backing up Gmail and Twitter. We are already backing up Facebook accounts. We're backing up contacts, photos, wall posts, messages, all of those things. And if you want to try it out, you can access that app from our website on the Facebook section of sosonlinebackup.com. Over on the right-hand side is what you'll see pertaining to enterprises and businesses. SOS ServerSave is a solution to back up all of your system data. This is operating systems, and this is app data. This is your SQL servers, your SharePoint servers, Exchange servers, Windows servers, file servers. It covers everything. And of course, it covers your file data, all of your documents, your images, your emails, and it's very, very easy to recover. Let's talk some more about the features and benefits of SOS ServerSave. But first, let me pause and ask if there's any questions. Haven't seen any come through yet, but please don't hesitate. So SOS ServerSave, as I just mentioned, features Exchange, backup, and granular recovery. If you're not familiar with EGR, you can recover mail, message contacts, and more. Anything that is a mail item within Exchange can be recovered with granular recovery in our EGR product. Bare metal image creator and image stream. So this tool is used to create bare metal backup images of Exchange, Windows servers, SQL servers, SharePoint servers, and file servers.